Hi there. So today I have a 2017 MacBook Air. So basically it's having a weird problem. So sometimes it does start, sometimes it doesn't start, and it's happening very intermittently. So I will try to investigate what the problem could be, and perhaps I will be able to fix it. So let's take this apart and have a look. So before I'm gonna take it apart, I want to plug in my charger and see what this will show us. Okay, so we have a green light and now it's orange. That's how it should be. If you're gonna open the lid, let's try to start it. Nope. Let's try SMC reset. So the SMC reset looks like it's working because I can see from the charger it's changing to the green and back to the orange. Now let's try DRAM reset. Nothing. Okay, so if you're not getting anything, it's not starting. So let's remove the back cover first now. Okay, so we have the board out. So everything looks okay from this side. You can see a few green marks here, but nothing major. Okay, let's go and check this under the microscope. And before doing so, I just gonna check the MagSafe board as well. So here, well, looks everything's okay with the MagSafe. Okay, let's go under the microscope. Okay, so let's see what we can find here. So far, so good. Okay, let's check the other side of the board. Some crap here. But nothing major. That's the SMC chip. And next to it, we have one cap and two resistors which are corroded. So this means the board is liquid, damaged. You can see here as well, two caps are affected. What's here? What is this? Here as well. Who knows what's that? Oh. Okay. So I think we're missing contact here definitely. We'll double check this one, but let's continue. checking everything first. We got some more. That's, yeah, oh look, the component. I think it's a cap. I just got out of here. That's done. Okay, so that explains why. Look here as well. Why is it working intermittently? How it's working at all? How it was working at all? And that's about it. So basically, yes, we have a problem here. 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 And here. Do I miss anything? You can see some corrosions here as well. Okay, so let's try to fix it. Let's try to fix it. So where we are starting then? I think we're gonna start from here. That's the first spot I noticed, so I'm gonna start from here. Let's clean this area a little bit. Let's see what are we getting here first. That's perhaps a ground. This one looks okay. That's a ground. That's okay. That's okay. That's a ground. So they look like okay, but let's take them out. Let's take them out. Let's put the new parts in. Because if it's okay now, it might be not okay after a month, or maybe sooner, or maybe later. Because if the corrosion is under the cap and under the resistor, it will continue destroying the solder, and this may lead to the faulty board in the near future as well. So I'm gonna take them out and I'm gonna fit new ones in. Okay, let's put the board sideways. Let's take them out. Let's have a look. Do we have a healthy pads? Let's double check. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Good. let's find what these components exactly are. So we are here somewhere. Let's flip the board. We're here. We are somewhere here. And these are the components. Well, this one says it's a cap. I definitely remove the resistor. Well, definitely remove the resistor here. But it says it should be a cap. Why so? It does say it's a cap. Anyway, they're all going to ground, so if it was a cap or it was a resistor, I'm gonna put the cap in. Either way, the schematics is lying or something's not right here. Just double check I'm looking at the correct place. Yes, it is a correct place. So, well, okay, so I need to find a resistor, which is 201 casing, and this is 5.49K. Okay, so we have a resistor. Now I need a cap, which is gonna be this one. That's the middle one. And let's check this one. Yes, they both are the same. Okay, we have the caps ready. Now let's solder them back in. Beautiful. Okay, let's clean this up a little bit. The next part, should I take this one? Or should I take this one? I think I will take this one first, because here are only two caps and I will definitely replace them. Let's do some clean first. Perhaps I will reflow this chip because I can see some crap here. Okay, so let's have a look first who they are. So let's find them here and let's see who they are. Okay, both are going to ground. So this is 1 microfarad, and this one, it's 2.2. Okay, so let's replace them. They might be fine, but because they were corroded, do some clean. Okay, now this area. What do we have here? Having a big mess. Let's clean that mess. How do you think? Could there be anything under this one? Or could it be not? Okay. This one is fucked. Let's clean the pad. Let's check if you have a short here or if you don't have a short. It looks okay. Looks okay. So this one is talking with this one. This one looks like it's okay here. I wanna scrape it here anyway just to test. Have some copper but not much. Okay, it's very thin layer which is down here, with which I'm not happy. Here looks like we're still okay. Let's fit that missing cap. Okay, let's find out who is this. And this is 12 picofarad cap. Okay, I have the cap ready. Then let's solder this back in. Also, I'm gonna put some more flux so I can heat this one up as well. Okay, so now I want to fix this one here because it's just having a thin contact. I'm thinking, should I put a tiny jumper wire or should I try to play with the solder? If I can scrape this down, might be enough just to put solder. Okay, let's try to add some solder. Maybe we don't need a jumper wire because it should stick very nicely. I was right. I think I was right. Perhaps I'm not gonna do the same here. Good. Okay, let's clean this up. Let's do some checks and we will be able to go further. Okay, that shouldn't be ground. Good. That should be ground. Good. This one stays in the same place. We have a contact here. This one has a contact there, and this one has a contact going through here. 440, 440. Good. Okay, we're done here. Let's go further. What's here? Let's clean. This resistor looks damaged, or maybe it's a cap. It's changing colors now. In the beginning it looked like it's a cap, it's a not cap, it's a resistor, but now it looks like it's a cap. Now it does look, it is a cap. Okay, I think I will lift this one up because I'm not sure about this pad here. So to be 100% sure, I will lift this one up. I will replace this cap. But before doing so, let's do some measuring. So what are we getting here? says everything's fine. That's the ground, that's correct. And then this leg says it's correct. Well, everything looks fine, but it was fine because the board was starting. That's fine, but it's not going anywhere further. So, okay, let's desolder this one and let's replace the cap. Clean our territory, and this doesn't look good. This pad was definitely not connected. Is there anything at all left? Nope, the pad is completely gone. What a shame. Okay, the pad is gone. It's not a big problem, maybe it's a big problem, I don't know. Come on, I want to see you. Where did you go? So what I'm doing now, I'm preparing this place so I can add a jumper wire and can recreate the pad, and at the same time this cap won't have much place here, so I'm gonna put this cap a bit further away. That's it. Either way I can put it here or here, it doesn't matter. What matters is to fix this pad now. And that's what we are getting. Just want to find out what this pin is responsible to. Let's have a look. It is. Where is it? Here, BIOS chip. Is this one now? This one. Huh. So this is PP3 V42G3 hot, and this is the main power rail, and this is powering that chip. That chip is saying all system to ground, but this one needs to have a power. Okay, so let's try to do something. How are you? Should be okay here, no? You should love this place. This is gonna be your new home. You want this or you don't want this. You have a shit tweezers and you have a good tweezers, so you're always using the shitty one because you think you can do something with the shitty one. But no. I wanted to touch anything. That's it. down a little bit. This should be okay. This wire looks it's higher than it should be. And because it is higher, it might lift the chip up. Let's have a look. Because if this is gonna lift the chip up, it might not work how I wanted it to be. So we have it here. You see it's a little bit higher than others. So I might need to add more solder, especially to this one, and this one. Just a little bit more. Okay, that should do the job. Let's lift all of them. Now let's have a look what we took out and what do we have there. Yeah, of course not good. Just changed my mind, so I'm gonna put this one gap here. Nope. Shouldn't change my mind. Let's clean this mess. What a mess. What a mess, what a mess. Okay, now let's check if we haven't created something new, like a new short, which wasn't here before. Looks okay. That's on the same, that should be ground. That should be ground, good. I know what you are. That might be okay. That's good. That's good. That's good there. Won't be able to test this one. I don't have that tiny stuff. I can measure it because my props not that tiny. Now this one is a bit low. But let's see how it goes. Okay, we're done here. Let's go further. I saw a tiny piece somewhere that was corroded as well. A tiny square thingy. Where are you? Where are you? Something like that. Where is it? I don't like seeing something like this as well. Anyway, this board gonna be fully cleaned with ultrasonic cleaner. Is this pad connected? See how much crap is going underneath of it. Rust. If this pad is going anywhere, I should have connected. So, okay. Let's try to add some solder. Let's scrape this one. And let's try to put some solder. I'm not sure if this is enough grip. I think should be fine. It. You have to. That's it. That's it. Let's check continuity. From here we have a continuity. This is connected. Okay, where is my little square one? Now you're waiting here as well. But where is that tiny shitty piece I just saw was corroded? Where are you? That's the one. Hello. We're just gonna carefully clean, you know? But cleaning might not be enough. Might need to lift you up because something's not right on this edge here. And some more now. You can see there is a rust here. See? So who knows what we will find. And at all, is this leg important? Because it goes to the cap. Maybe just keeping the balance. Let's have a look. So this is the one. Yes. So who you are, PPP? Well, it is important line. But is this line on short? I don't think so. But is this required to fire up the chip? I would say yes. I'll have to take it off and have a look because I don't know what is happening there. Well, we have a little bit crap here. But the pad is in place. That's a good sign. Some of the pad is gone, but it still was connected perhaps. I will check the chip in a second. I have corrosion on my knife. I think we are good here. Let's have a look at the actual chip. It's coming here. Let's go down. Well, doesn't look nice. But it's just a crap on it. Let's try to clean it. Just having a good shower. And you're gonna be back to life. You're looking good. Give me back. It's not yours. Not yours yet. Think this, we're gonna reuse this one, so stay away from it. Okay, now I need to put some solder at least on one pad. Solder it there. Stay there. No one's gonna force you. clean this a little bit up. Let's make sure I haven't created a short here. Looks good. That's good. That should be ground. That fuck knows where it goes, I don't know yet. Let's have a look at my soldering. Go up, up, up. Looks good. And the other side. That's with a weird angle. You know, which is like a micron. But still, I'm not happy. I want it to be solid. Much better. Now it is solid. Just double check. You done some changes, you moved something. Make sure you're not creating a short. So the only one thing which is left is this crap here. Don't use much heat because the CPU is on the other side and it's very, very close. But what should I do, master? Go home and relax. Leave it for someone else. Let them do the job. What the fuck you talking? You fucked? Of course you fucked. And you? Staying stable? What's that? What happened to you? What's there? What is this crap? Anyway, I need one component here, I need one component there. Can't see me back. Can't see anything here. There should be a cap, but I can see this pad is going somewhere. And where is it going? Where is it going? I think that's the place. And again, it says a fucking resistor. Maybe it was a resistor, who knows now. Anyway, this one is PP3 D42G3 hot, and this needs to be there. So I need to connect it somehow here. Okay. Okay, so what's that? This, I think this one. Yeah, we missed this one, so we need this resistor. 8.2K. Okay. We'll take this from the donor board because I don't trust this anymore. For some reason. Not for this repair. And there's a resistor here as well. If I check the same on the donor board, is it a resistor or is it a cap? It is a resistor, okay. It's a resistor. There is a resistor, but this resistor needs to get power. Okay, I will take components from my donor board. So I need 2 resistors. Board. Listen to me, I have a plan for you. Plan for you. We can do so much things together. Come on. Here we go. Okay. Just stay here. Basically, I will take this one out as well and just change my mind. I just don't like how it looks like. This one. That's it. how are you doing? Stay there, don't move. Okay, so now my last mission is to give some power to this resistor. Okay, so let's clean a little bit. Careful. Okay, now the hardest bit's gonna be I need to feed this one, but before doing so, let's check if everything is okay here. This one has no contact at all. Maybe it's not going anywhere. Ah, sorry. It wasn't on diode mode, so yeah, this one's okay. This one's on the same rail, okay. This one's okay. Good. Should be ground here or no? I don't know. And this one's okay. And this one's okay. Good. I need to check if this one is a ground. Is this a ground? Yes, that's a ground. That's how it should be. So now I need, because I moved this one on the side, so I need to connect the PP3V42 G3 hot to this resistor. And where is the best place I can take it from? The best place is where I sorted the original wire, where it was gone here. So I fixed this one, and there is a wire going here. So there is a track, so I can attach to this track and just point up here. Yeah, easy. Let's do this. So it should go from here. Maybe not. Let's see. I have it. Okay, that's the same rail. So as you can see, I have the same rail going here, going there, here, here. You can see it's going and stops here. So if we're gonna take it from here, it's gonna be very, very close. I just need it from here to go here. And that's it. Easy as that. So let's scrape this one. Okay, be good here. Can do a little bit more. It's gonna be enough. It's enough. Okay. Let's put some fluxy flux. Okay. Just to confirm, I need to make sure that this is the same rail. So I'm gonna check the continuity between here and here. Yes, we have a continuity. This means that's the rail we are after. Okay, now we just need to solder the wire. I'm gonna flip the board. I'm gonna twist the board, and now I just need to solder it. I'm gonna do this by holding with my hands. Yes. Here, and we need to stop next to that resistor. It would be very nice if I can do like this. And everyone's gonna be happy if I will end up here. Okay, now it's not the easiest part. I need to solder it somehow to that bit. Touch it a little bit and it's like you move. How are you moving? How are you moving? Okay, okay there. Now, we're getting to work here. Oh, fuck's sake, that's what I was expecting. That's what I was expecting to happen. Ah, I got it. We have a gap here, yes. This one's soldered, yes. Fuck you. I love you. Okay, let's check if that's all good. Happy days. You don't. It's just holding it. For fuck's sake. Is it holding it okay or just? Now it's holding on the track. Let's leave it. Let's leave it. It's holding on the track. The track is loose, but we're gonna cure it. Just a soft, gently clean. And I think we will be good to go to test it. Now I'm just curing with the UV light. This should speed up the process of drying that paint or whatever is chemicals. It's called UV curing solder mask. Well, this board has plenty problems, I would say. Wasn't expecting to waste so much time with it. If I would have known how much time I need to spend, I wouldn't start this one, but it's a challenge. It's good. I like it. Who knows what I'm gonna find once I'm gonna plug this one board in, but we will try shortly. Yes. Good. Okay, so let's double check everything, that I haven't missed anything. So the critical points might be, if it still won't work, this one. Okay, because it was corroded, I haven't changed it. Just reflowed it, and I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it. Okay, so let's try to plug in, put the board back and see if this is gonna post. Just plug in the screen. Make sure it's not touching anything anywhere. Okay, let's test. Okay, the board is trying to start. Hey! Another one. Another fixed Mac. Fucking hell, this was tricky, but all is done. So all is left now, just assemble it back. Test it properly, fire it up many times, shut it down many times, and check that all the components are working as it should, camera, keyboard, sound, and everything else, whatever is left. And that's gonna be it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you learned something. Yes, the Mac is still working. So, all good. See you later. Thank you for watching.